Alright guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Barry, his name is Julius. We're here at the Nurburgring. And we're gonna go for a what he wants to consider a slow lap. So it is raining and we're here at the Nurburgring Nordschleife, and I hope he goes slow because I would like to get his thoughts on the Track Edition RCF, because really rare do you get to like really interview a Track Edition RCF owner, and man, these cones are kind of close to each other. Oh god. And he would send it in the rain. He would send it in the rain. You're supposed to go slow.
Let's take it easy.
So I gotta ask you, what cars were you looking at before you chose a Lexus RCF Track Edition?
Actually, I was into the RCF in general since I was a child, or since I know the RCF. Not as old. I'm not that old.
So like since 2015?
Yeah. Basically yes. I always loved the concept of these cars and the reliable, naturally aspirated sports coupe, and
yeah,
it's just the kind of car I love to drive. And I also was into modding cars.
Okay.
My last car, I modded it heavily, and it was fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, but then the RCF Track Edition came out, and it was a car that was, it was in the base of this car was everything I wanted, because I'm into modding. I love putting like some wings and some lips and stuff on the car, try to make it faster, and that's what they did with the Track Edition. It's a stock car and it's just like I wanted.
Have you ever driven the non-Track Edition RCF? Have you ever driven like a normal, regular RCF?
Actually not, no.
No?
I'm curious to find out how it feels.
Yeah.
To drive one. But I'm very happy with the Track Edition.
So right now I can tell you with the Lexus RCF Track Edition RCF, right? The major improvements, major differences is the aero package. The wing, the carbon fiber hoods, the lightweight, just the total lightweight and more aerodynamics. Do you feel it?
Definitely yes. Especially the rear wing. The car feels extremely stable, like in fast corners like these. It doesn't unsettle. It just feels very stable. What I think makes the Track Edition very fast are the carbon ceramic brakes. You have so much stopping power. That's for a car that's still like 1.7 tons. So still very heavy, but those brakes stop you on a dime.
And the unsprung weight too. Definitely less rotational mass, and the wheels are BBS, imitating the ones from the Lexus RCF GT3. Oh, look at this corner on AO52. Yokohama AO52 wheels, tires. Man, going slow on this one. You usually blast through this at least 100 kilometers faster than what you're going right now. But it's it's really unique to go kind of slow on the track here, just to observe nature, I guess.
Exactly.
It's different. It's different going slow on this track.
When you go fast, you basically you only look into the apex of the corner, and when you hit the apex, you look into the exit of the corner.
Oh, and yes.
Everything you see is part of the track, and if there was standing like a naked woman on the side of the track, you wouldn't even notice when you stand it.
Way too concentrated on the apexes and corners.
Exactly.
Hoping you don't understeer or oversteer, understeer into a wall or something.
Yeah, and I really enjoy now driving, driving slow, watching the track. I mean, it's a beautiful environment here.
Yes, it is. I have to say, this is definitely the slowest I've ever seen you drive this track. But it's nice. With the... Ooh, it's so nice in here with all the red. Alright, here's one question people are going to ask. How do you feel about these Sparko seats, belts?
They definitely improve the usage of these seats.
Yes.
I mean, those seats are very good. They keep you very good in place. But when you use the regular seat belts, you still like to slide out when you're really sending it and going really fast. And those just keep you in place.
Yes.
And I mean, the holes are already there to mount them, so why not?
You know, good corner. And so, man, these ceramic brakes are really doing their thing. Wow. I can tell you, like, if you just look at me, if he ever decides to take a corner fast, you can tell that I'm strapped in. Now, people will say you need a Hans device, HANS, head and neck, shoulder? No, so, safety, yeah. Head and neck safety. I mean, look, he's going through a corner, not really too fast, but I'm pretty held in place. The bolstering on the seats here, it does its thing. Wow, just listen to the engine. Lexus RCF Track Edition, everybody. Julius, you're supposed to go slow. Yokohama. It's a last lap. Don't send it too hard. Yeah. Ooh. This is a really beautiful car. Like, look at that red carbon. What's your most favorite thing about this this car?
That's a hard one. Actually, the Lexus community, the Lexus guys I meet at the Nurburgring. I get into contact with so many people just because they have this car and people are interested and say, oh, hey, Lexus is a rare car, and you get into conversation with really nice people that share the same the same interests.
That is the most wholesome answer I've ever had on this channel, people. Most wholesome answer. What a nice guy. Give him a follow. Oh, you're usually... No, wait, that... You usually hit the... no, not this one. We're past it, though, huh?
Huh?
The apex? Usually... Or is it up there?
Yeah, it's a very tricky one in that corner.
Yeah.
It's more about the turning point.
Yeah. It's... I gotta say it again. It's so weird on the North Life with nobody in front. And it's slightly wet.
Yeah,
And nobody's in front, but that's the best part.
That.
Ooh, yes. Caught that.
I think the front tires, it feels like the front tires can handle the rain better than the rear ones. But they're both AO52s.
AO52, yeah. Famous carousel. Man. Okay. Going up the hill. It's like a really nice drive. You know, that's the one thing I noticed about this car. You know, it's a beast. If you've watched the videos and him drive, he is a beast in this car. And is there oil? Oh, that's right. There's an oil spill. Yeah, there's an oil spill on the right. If it's still there.
Oh, the rain washed it away.
Probably washed it, but it's like right there. But what I was saying is that this car is such a beast when he drives it, right? But it's now that we're transitioned from really fast track pace to like a calm, soothing, enjoyable, just enjoy the car pace. It's really refreshing that you can do this with the Lexus RCF Track Edition. I mean, it's still got the same luxury as the regular RCF, but it's got the benefits of a track package. Yeah. I mean, especially when you commute in this, going to back home and coming here all the time. YouTube corner. There's still a lot of people watching us. YouTube corner, no.
That's why it's YouTube corner.
That's why it's a YouTube corner. I wonder with this speed if you're gonna be able to hop.
What?
If you're gonna be able to jump.
I don't. Oh, that's right.
A little mini hop.
I think we had contact with.
Yeah. A little mini hop. Yeah, this thing bites nice. Bites very nice.
Parts of the track are actually dry now. You can see.
Oh yeah.
Like the racing line, there's
I see it. Julius, want to tell us about a fun fact about this car, about the European edition, about the Cadillac? Was there something in the exhaust that's limiting? You said there was the...
yeah, there's the OPF.
Yeah, there's something underneath the exhaust. Something that the RCF Track Editions in the United States do not have. There's something in the exhaust. I'm not too sure what it is. For like...
It's like
for emissions. It's for
It's
emissions.
EU regulations. It's for these small dust particles to catch them.
Yes.
That usually occur in diesel engines.
Ah, okay. But
yeah,
yet this thing's petrol and
yeah, but it still needs it because stupid EU regulations. So,
yeah. But it takes away horsepower or not really?
Yes, it takes, actually, they say it takes away, I think 6 horsepower, so you drop from 470 to 464.
6 horsepower is way too many. And we're about to come to the finish line, folks, kind of. Audi Sport. Nice. That was a very enjoyable lap, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the thoughts from a Lexus RCF Track Edition owner. If you guys have any more questions about the Track Edition, comment them below. Give him a follow. And hey guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.